Subfloor preparation is one of the most important steps in a successful tile floor project. In this video, we're going to show you how to prepare wood and concrete subfloors for a lasting and beautiful tile floor. Now, the first step to preparing a wood subfloor is to create a level surface. You're going to want to slide a straight edge over the floor in different directions. If you find any uneven spots, mark them so they can be level. Now, to level the wood subfloor, you may need to sand down the high spots. Next, fill in seams in the subfloor with caulk. To provide a stable base for the tile, cement backer board should be installed on the subfloor first. Measure and cut the backer board to size. Then, spread enough thin set on the subfloor to cover an area slightly larger than your first piece of backer board. Comb the thin set with the notched edge of the trowel at a 45-degree angle to the floor, making sure the trowel lines go in the same direction. Work quickly while the thin set is wet and set the sheet of backer board in place. Arrange panels so that the ends are staggered. Walk gently on the panels to set them into the thin set and then secure them with screws drilled every 6 to 8 inches. Add a layer of thin set, then use fiberglass mesh tape on all the seams, followed by a thin layer of thin set. You'll also want to smooth any ridges or high spots and feather the edges of the thin set across each board so the surface is as smooth as possible. And then you'll want to allow the thin set to dry for 24 to 48 hours. Concrete subfloor must be free of adhesives for the tile to bond properly, and you can test this by sprinkling water on it. Now, if the water penetrates, then a good bond will form. But if the water beads, surface adhesives are present, and they're going to need to be removed. Now, the concrete also must have a coarse finish to bond with the thin set. Smooth concrete slabs can be edged or roughed up using chemical or mechanical methods. Now, if there are any existing cracks larger than 1/8 of an inch in the concrete, they'll need to be patched and filled with a cement patching compound first. Next, check that the concrete is level with a straight edge. If there are hollows and valleys, mark them so you can fill them with a self-leveler. The self-leveling compound can be poured over the entire surface if the concrete subfloor has several high and low spots. But if it's just a few spots, treat just those areas. Now you're ready to get started. Here's what you'll need. Good preparation will guarantee a trouble-free tile job. Good luck, and thanks for shopping at the Home Depot.